Hello there, folks. It is me, Cedric from Cedric Trains, back yet again with another model train review. Today, it is going to be about this Trix Class 77 diesel locomotive. I lost my words there. That's what it looks like, cross rail. That's the pretty sure German word for diesel. A little bit of backstory. I got this locomotive in Slovenia when I was on a trip to see my relatives, which is pretty nice. I'm not sure how much this is in Canadian, because I am Canadian, but I got it for almost £500. I don't think that's I mean, not, why am I saying pounds? Euros. I don't believe that was a bad price, considering this, I didn't notice when I bought it. I thought it was just a regular diesel locomotive. It has a smoke unit, and the whole entire body and chassis is die-cast, which is crazy for a diesel. You don't usually see that. But one thing is, though, I'm still trying to figure out what this MFX is. Because this uses loc sound, I'm pretty sure. At least that's what I saw in the manual. So I'm not sure what MFX is. Unless that's like the brand of the smoke unit. But I know for a fact Triggs is owned by Markland. So I believe Markland would use their own smoke unit. But I don't know. If anybody knows German, you can read this. But yeah, this is a 15 plus locomotive, which I have not ever seen that on an American locomotive. I will not look at the manual, because I do not need to. Y'all have already seen this on the channel anyways. Alright, let me unbox this. There we go. Beautiful locomotive, I gotta say. It's one of my favorite locomotives in my entire collection. I gotta clean it a bit though, have some layout grass on it, per usual. This grass here, on this specific section of my layout, just sticks to everything, and I don't know why. So yeah, let me put this back together here, and I'll do it off camera. Everything's packed up again. Yeah, so, some of you might be wondering though, you might be asking yourself, so Cedric, how are you running this with your freight cars? Because, you know, I don't have British freight cars. I use this here. Yeah, just a standard boxcar. Athearn boxcar. I don't know which one it is, but it's just an Athearn boxcar. And what I did is that this is literally it. I just flipped the stock coupler's brake line around, and it just perfectly fits and stays together. Just perfectly. So yeah, that's all I did. But yeah, so let's put this onto the track, this beautiful crossrail Triggs locomotive with the smoke unit, onto the track, and we will start her up. I am at the track now, and let's put this onto the layout. Actually, let's do some ASMR rail touching sounds, right? Alright, here we go. Alright. I don't know why it makes the horn sound, but it does for some reason. Alright, let's do this. There we go. Yeah, so let's start it up. Let me move this quickly. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna start it up and then I'll shut it down so you guys can hear the horn and the per mover sounds. Alright. And which is kind of strange, the sound toggle is actually the bell button. I have got it hooked up to some freight cars now, and I will start it up and let her go. So there you go, guys. That is my review on this Crossrail Trix HO Class 77 locomotive. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all enjoyed this review on this locomotive. This is Cedric's Trains signing out.